What is going on, guys? In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to pass a callback as props via a free Callback section of React. Okay, so basically you can pass state as props to child components, but you're not limited to passing data. You can also pass handler functions or any method that's defined on a React component to a child component. This is how you allow child components to interact with their parent components, alright? And you can also pass methods to a child just like a regular prop. It's assigned a name and you have the access to that method name under this.props in the child component. Alright, so to have a hands-on experience with this concept, we're going to be doing an exercise, and it says that there are three components outlined in the code editor, which is talking about my app, get input, and the other one is render input. Alright, so the my app component is a parent component that will actually get the input and render child components as well. Alright, and so the task that we need to start working on is that it says that add get input component to the render method in my app. So this is my app, and we're going to add a get input component over here in the render method. Alright, so I will just say get input and self closing tag. Alright, and then it says that we need to pass a prop called input, so this will be our input prop. Alright, and what will this have? Pass it and assign it to an input value from my app's state prop. Alright, so we need to access this input value. Alright, so I'll simply put that in curly brackets and set state dot input value. Alright, basically what that's going to do is that it will just display the input value in the the input prop. So alright, so now what it says that also create a prop called handle change. So we need to create another prop, so I'll just say prop, this is our handle change prop, and pass the input handler in handle change to it. So this is the input handle change, and we'll just pass that method into this prop. So state dot prop, nope, my bad, handle change. Alright, so what that's going to do is simply handle change will get the latest value of the input value, and yeah. Alright, and how we're gonna display it by adding the render input to the render method. Alright, so render input, oops, so that's render, oopsie, my bad, render input. Alright, and then what does it say? That we need to create a prop called input. Alright, yep, and pass it the input value from the state to it. Alright, same as the above, so we're just passing the value into it. So state dot input value. Alright, and then it says once you're done, once you're finished, you'll be able to type the input field and get input and get input component, which then calls a handle method in its parents via prop. Alright, so we need to add handle change in this one as well. No, we don't need to do that one. My bad. What was I thinking? Alright, that's all really. So what this is doing, that is this part is getting the default input value, which is blank at the moment, but as soon as the user types the text in that text box, the handle change event will trigger and it will simply update the latest value of the input value, and render input will simply show the input value. So if I type in my name, we should see appearing here. Alright, Zane. Oh, it's not doing it. Where did I go wrong? Input value, handle change. Why have I used state here? This is not a state. Alright, here we go. Yep, and now this should work. So Zane C is displaying it as with type. So this is how you show pass a callback as a prop. Alright guys, I really hope you understood the concept behind it, and have fun practicing with the new concept. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below and I'll make sure I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Until next video, have fun.